Hi everyone, my name is Konstantin Fedchenko, KFE Avia, your aviation advisor. I happen to be flying Airbus A320 simulator recently and I want to tell you this story. So the feedback about flying this sophisticated, complex aeroplane compared to what I'm flying, citation jets, A340, these small piston aeroplanes, difference is quite big. This aeroplane does a lot for you. And before you start watching, please subscribe, like, comment. Let's go! We are here, Miami, Florida. These are my flying partners, Charlie and Ilnur. We are flying Airbus A320 simulator and we will take you through this process together with us. It's Christmas time, but it's warm, sunny and nice here. I'm doing here FAA ATP license on this Airbus A320 simulator. This is Boeing 737. You see it's full motion simulator and let me show you, it's a lot of fun. Our instructor is there.
Starting engine number 2. And Toga, SRS runway, all thrust blue. Check. Check. Blue line. Rotate.
Then once you have longitude, go into about a 15-degree bank.
Oh.
On the recovery, keep the bank in there until the nose is below the horizon. Then level the wings. Bring the power into climb. Slowly climb again at 7.5 degrees and clean up.
20 retard.
It's electric, like robot style. I like it. Everything is electric here, if you can see.
Today, I'm going to have you set up the flight plan a little bit differently. You got about 275 in the upper boundary, and the lower boundary you've got about 212.
Yeah, so this exercise is called coffin corner. This means that you cannot neither accelerate and the speed is that low that aeroplane can be stalled. This happens at higher altitudes at the aeroplane's ceiling.
And notice your rate of climb.
You see, even with power in takeoff go around position, this aeroplane has no capability to climb and the stall speed is getting closer and closer. This is what's called coffin corner. But when we level off, there will be chance that we do overspeed, which is not good either. When we increase bank angle, the coffin corner, the speeds which close in between stall and overspeed
And the
come
hot thrust
closer.
is still maintaining the speed even though it's below the around. Power set. Secret. Setting gear up. Gear up.
Full heading. By the flight director, you're going to overspeed the flaps.
Yeah. Engage up propellant, unengage up propellant, check speed, flaps.
Very straight with your feet. Take your time. Now slow rotation. Keep the wings level. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep coming up.
Oh! Oh!
Don't sink.
Don't stop. Just keep it coming. There you go.
Minimum.
20 retard, 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 retard.
Don't try this at home. Another session completed. Thank you for partnership. It was fun, wasn't it?
Yes. Very fun.
Thank you very much for your effort.
Hey, you're
Carl,
so
was nice to
welcome.
meet you.
And you too.
This man has 30-something thousand hours on Airbus. Unbelievable. It's a legend. Bye-bye.
Good trip back.
Guys are doing their type rating on the aeroplane, so they will have some more sessions, and for me it's time to leave. So my dear friends and followers, here is my conclusion. Airbus 320 is a very nice aeroplane with its all modern avionics, and this is very safe aeroplane to fly because it doesn't let you to do overspeed condition, it doesn't let you to do stall, which many aeroplanes don't let you do either. Then you have a very nice overview on the situation which happens in front of you, meaning you have the whole routing which you can see on the display, which is not the case in many other aeroplanes. Big thumbs up for this large space in front of you with a folding table. Well, there are some things I'm missing in Airbus family aeroplanes, and the first thing is the real feedback on the side stick. You have to feel the aeroplane, which is not really the case in Airbus. Well, people say you get used to this, which I did, but still I was missing the feeling of having real control over the aeroplane, because the side stick sends the signal to the computer, and computer operates control surfaces without any real feedback to the side stick. As well as you don't use much of the throttle. Well, you do have to use it in takeoff. You put the takeoff go around position, then in cruise position, and then just before landing you have to pull it all the way back to idle, otherwise the plane will call you retard.
Retard.
So now the conclusion. I would choose to fly an aeroplane where I have real feeling of flying it by having control surfaces, forces, as well as using throttle as much as possible. Then you just really fly the aeroplane, not operating the sophisticated computer. Leave your comments about what do you think about my experience, and maybe if you did have experience on your side, please like, subscribe, leave comments. This was Konstantin Fedchenko, your aviation expert. See you in my next videos.